Have you noticed those satisfying vehicle reassembly videos taking over social media lately? A machine starts as hundreds of separate parts, then magically comes together piece by piece. And the best part? This trend is not limited to motorcycles. You can create the same style with cars, helicopters, airplanes, and almost any vehicle you can imagine. The opportunity here is huge because this AI content niche is still relatively new, which means there's plenty of room to stand out. In this video, I'll show you how to create these viral style videos completely for free. First, I created a powerful prompt that does most of the creative work for you. Copy the prompt, open ChatGPT, and paste it in. ChatGPT will generate different vehicle categories and help you create unique concepts. Choose the one you like, and it will instantly generate a detailed image prompt and a matching video animation prompt. Once you have your idea, it's time to bring it to life. Open Edimakor, go to the AI video generation feature, and select the Kling 3.0 model. Upload your reference image, paste the video prompt generated by ChatGPT, and let AI handle the animation. In just a short time, Kling 3.0 can transform a static image into a cinematic reassembly sequence, with parts smoothly moving together to form a complete vehicle. The result is the kind of satisfying AI content that keeps viewers watching until the very end. With the right prompt and AI tools, creating viral-style videos has never been easier. If you want more AI video ideas, creative workflows, and tutorials, make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.